lot of big old boats are pushing this barge up in. Got to watch the sides and all that. Very protected area for the bigger boats. Pretty boat there. A lot of pretty detailed woodwork on this one. Love seeing the DMC signs on projects as we pass them going down the canals. This here is just showing some of the logistics of getting materials to the job site, so we're not tearing up the customer's yard. It makes it a lot easier transporting on the barge right where we're going to be working. Had real good progress on the day. Got a little bit of the sand removed. He's got a 5-foot draft on his boat, so we got to try to get it about 7-8 foot deep in front of this dock. Got the inside piling set. Got the little gazebo piling set at the other end for a 10x10 platform. We'll be setting the 8-inch by 35s in the morning and then start framing up. All right, we've got our 8-inch, 35-foot long piling hoisted in the air. We're going to get this jetted in the ground. We'll do a little bit of a jet pipe, then put the vibratory hammer on top of it, vibrate it down to where it needs to be. The poles we're going to leave up 10 foot above the deck for mooring purposes on this boat. Got part of the gazebo framed up here and getting the strings all set up for the other 6 pilings. Give you a little time-lapse motion here so you can see exactly what it goes into getting these pilings in place. We hook the chain around the piling, pick it up with the track-hoe, then we get it hoisted over into place. The guy's jetting a hole, trying to get a hole started. Put the pole down into the hole, get it stood up, then we have to get the chain off of it, and then we'll get the track-hoe vibratory plate back on top of the piling. And while the guy's running a level on it and getting everything straightened up, we get it put in place. Here's our own little custom design on our cross ties. We like putting a little dogwood cut on them. I think it looks pretty cool. You got one 1/2-inch galvanized bolt going through the cross tie, and then a 1/2-inch galvanized carriage bolt going through the stringer. All the joints are blocked and screwed down. Now we're getting the 5-foot Thru-Flow gray decking installed now. This product is really cool on the feet, easy to walk on. Also in high wave action areas, which this is not, allows the water to shoot up through the decking without tearing your decking up. Good pressure release. Also good for environment. A lot more sun goes through the panels to enable the seagrass underneath to grow. We got the dock all framed up now, bolted. Now it's time to get all the mooring poles cut off to the exact same level. After we do that, we'll measure the pilings and get a black piling cap and put on top of it. Just kind of dresses the poles up a little bit. Also keeps the pelicans from sitting on top of the poles and messing all over the poles in your boat. Hey, here's a completed project of this job over here. The customer's going to install her own decking that she salvaged off the previous dock she had. It's a nice little 10x10 platform with a 5x5 walkway leading out to a 5-foot by 50-foot long boardwalk. We'll be tying up a nice 63-foot Hatteras on the outside of it. Hey guys, really appreciate you checking out my video. We got this project completed in a little over 2 days. Had the demo taken out to recycle center, got it all cleaned up and ready to go. If you would, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that. Like and share. If you got any comments on the project or something you need more detail on, let me know and I'll be happy to try to get you an answer on those. Now we're headed back over to the poles we set for that boathouse early in the week. We're going to go ahead and get the roof and the lift put back on top of that. After that, we got a seawall repair. We got some 20-foot sheet pilings we're putting in. Had a large boat tied up in front of the seawall, kind of blew the old sheets out that were there. So we're going to go in with some deeper sheets so we don't have any problem with the customer losing his yard.